guys, we have a Bentley flying spurt, and we end up installing the nextbase camera. Okay, it's a 4K camera, so we have to run the wires, you know, real nice so you don't see anything, and it has a rear. Yeah, it was not fun to do. And then we had to run it this way and come across that pillow down, and then do the electrical on the bottom, which it was not fun either. These cars, you have to be careful that you don't scratch anything, you know, because you can easily slip and oops, you know, so you have to be very careful. Time consuming. But anyway, this is the installation. This camera sends your video up to the cloud. So, you know, any recordings that you do when you have parked, it goes to the cloud. It has a back camera towards you, and it has one towards the front, of course, and one in the rear. This installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto 9 Specialist. Anybody who has these type of vehicles, or any car for that fact, that you have a dash cam, give us a call and we come out. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video on this Bentley.